Sunday, 1st October, St. Therese of Lisieux, joint patron of the missions, Day of Social Apostolate. Focus. Truly I say to you, unless you turn and become like children, you will never enter the kingdom of heaven. I remember my childhood full of innocence, trust, joy and wonder, gradually decreasing as I grew older. In today's Gospel, Jesus urges us self-importance adults to become like children. Is it even possible? Can we truly be childlike and not childish? It is a call of Jesus, so we need to pay heed to it. We have to let go of our mask and trust in Him. We can learn from Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, a Carmelite nun. From childhood, she had an intense love for Jesus and longed to join the missions to spread His love to others. She wrote, "There is one only thing to do here below, to love Jesus, to win souls for Him, so that He may be loved." She never made it to the missions thanks to tuberculosis, but with childlike faith, she prayed fervently for the missions. She did ordinary things in extraordinary ways. Later, she was honored as a joint patron of the missions, even though she never stepped out of the convent walls. Jesus asks us to remain innocent, pure, trusting, joyful, honest, and giving. The list could go on. A tall order, but not impossible with childlike faith. Fruit. I will strive to be childlike in my faith as it opens wide the gates to the heavenly kingdom.